So I really like this question. Some CFOs don't want to roll up their sleeves, but the ones that are willing to, the easiest step to take to really stress test a process is to ask the person doing it to provide them their SOPs, their standard operating procedures, and have the CFO go do the job. Not forever, one time to determine whether or not the way it's being approached is the most effective way for it to be approached. And are the SOPs aligned with what's actually being done? Or are they so old that they don't even align? Which means that if that person was to leave, you'd have to reinvent, in a sense, re optimize that process because you don't truly have one. And so I think that a new CFO, and if it was me, would sit down and almost spend a day in each person's shoes and then make a determination of whether a new hire is needed, new processes are needed, or a realignment of responsibilities across the team members.